If you watched our first video on how to build an oil burner, you already know that it had no chimney and generated a lot of smoke. If you didn't see it, go check it out. Now, in today's video, we'll show you version 2 with great improvements. This new model already comes with a chimney tube, which makes all the difference. Efficiency has increased significantly, and smoke is no longer a problem. The burner is much more functional and safer. However, there is still one important detail to be adjusted: the burning of the oil. We are working on this improvement to ensure that the combustion process is perfect. Soon, we will show you how we will solve this. If you're enjoying this project and want to see how it evolves, don't forget to leave your like. This really helps the channel grow, and you won't miss any updates. Oh, and if you haven't signed up yet, be sure to sign up and activate notifications to keep up with every new improvement. Now let's take a look at how the new burner is working. Let's go! Here we have the combustion plate, which still needs some adjustments to improve efficiency. Next, we see the drilling in the steel plate cover, which is an important part of the design. After building the burner, we put the combustion plate in place, and after that, we add some oil. And with the help of the blowtorch, we light the used oil burners. As can be seen in the video, the flame is directed directly towards the steel tubes, which, in turn, transmit the heat effectively, making the set more efficient than conventional burners. It is worth noting that this model does not use fans connected to electricity, which makes the system simpler and more self-sufficient. This combustion plate is very small, which makes the flame small as well. I'm going to change this piece. Don't miss the video with this change. What is your opinion about this burner? Do you think you can make money? Leave a like, it doesn't cost anything. Thank you.